was a time when I wasn't here. And sooner or later, I'll be gone. But right now, here I am, alive. So why do I feel so numb, like I'm already dead? I'm not even sure I like myself much. But sometimes it happens. It's like waking up. I realize I have no idea what it is to be alive. And I find myself face to face with breathtaking mystery. Then the world becomes Wonderland. What is this extraordinary journey from birth to death? I think I see myself, but really I don't. How amazing. I'm seeing things for the first time. My senses feel alive. Everything is so now. I'm connected to everything and everyone. And there's this love of being, as if the whole universe is pulsating with love, as if I'm dissolving in an ocean of love. And I can see that hidden amongst all the despair is poignant beauty. Beneath all the meaningless suffering, a silent certainty that all is well. And there's such a feeling of relief, like coming home. I want everyone to experience this. I want you to experience this.